In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to fix the external keyboard not working on MacBook. So let's get started. So first we have to check the basics. So if you're using a USB keyboard, then you unplug it and plug it back in. You can try another USB port, or if you're using a USB hub, connect directly to the Mac. Then we have Bluetooth keyboard. You can try turning off the Bluetooth, wait 10 seconds, and then turn it back on, and then you turn the keyboard off and on, or you can even try replacing or recharging the batteries of the keyboard. Then we have check keyboard in another app. So sometimes the issue is app specific. Try typing in different apps. For example, right now I'm on Brave. I could just type something here, and then I could simply head to, for example, on Discord or Safari and see that if the same issue is there or not. Or I could just simply click Command Spacebar and type here to see if it works. Yeah. So for me it works, so all is good. Yeah. Then we have restart the Mac. So sometimes a simple restart fixes many further issues. Okay. So that is so simple. Just go here, click restart, and you're done. Then we have reset the keyboard settings. So for this you go to system settings, then you go to keyboard, and from here you click on input sources right there. You can remove your current keyboard language and then try adding it again. Okay, so just click on edit. You can remove whatever language you have, and then you can add it all again from here. Yeah, you can add it from here. Then we have forget and reconnect, and this is only for Bluetooth keyboards. So for example, you can head over to your Bluetooth, and then here, for example, this is a mouse, an external mouse. Now if I try to connect, it connects, but what you can do is you can right click and click on forget, and once you click on forget, just forget it. And then once you're reconnecting, you can try reconnecting, and sometimes that fixes it, fixes the issue. Then we have reset SMC, but this is only for Intel Mac, and you can see if you have an Intel Mac by just going on the top section, going in about this Mac, and you'll see whether you have an Intel Mac or a Silicon Mac. Silicon Mac is basically M1 to M3 chips, and yeah. So for me, it's an Intel Mac, and to do this, what you have to do is you have to first of all shut down the Mac. Then you have to hold these buttons for 10 seconds. You have to hold the left shift. Okay, so I'm just going to type it out. Left shift plus control plus option plus power button. Okay, you gotta hold these for 10 seconds and then release and then turn it on. Okay, then you can also try resetting the NVRAM, and this works on both Intel and Apple Silicon. To do this, you just turn off your Mac, then you turn it on, and immediately you hold these buttons. Okay, option plus command plus P plus R. You gotta hold these buttons for about 20 seconds, and then your NVRAM will reset, and that can sometimes also fix the external keyboard issues. Yeah. Now, there's also, for example, sometimes Mac OS sometimes blocks USB devices. Okay, so you have to make sure that you check these settings and ensure that Mac doesn't do that. So to do this, you restart your Mac, and then you hold Command and R to enter recovery mode. Then you go to the top menu, Utilities, Startup, and Security Utility, and from there you set to allow booting from external media and reduce security from temporarily to test. Then you restart your computer and test again. Yeah. Then we have create a new user account. Well, this is easy. You can just go to system settings. From here you can scroll down to user and groups, and hopefully add another group and see whether it is universal, the whole laptop, or is it just account specific. Then you can also check if you have a Mac OS update, which you can just simply check when you're on your settings. On the top it should show you a red error, not an error but a note more like. Yeah, you can just go ahead and update from there. So those are basically all the fixes, and I hope that this video has helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.